and today I'll be talking about how I achieved this beautiful hair color using the watercolor technique. I used Adore's two bottles of copper brown and one cinnamon, but we'll get into all of that in the video. So this is a wig that I made. Child, this thing is not even secure, okay, but we look good, that's what matters. But sis, still secure your wig, okay? Do not be out here slipping. It's summertime. Secure your wig. But all jokes aside, this is a wig that I made a couple of days ago. It is a 14-inch closure, 14, 16, 18-inch bundles. I don't have a specific hair company that I got it from. I just got it from a Chinese vendor that my godmother put me onto. So if you want his information, let me know. I got you. The hair is really nice. It's super soft. It took the color very, very easy. Yeah, it takes heat very well. Also, I curl this hair with my flat iron. You know, let's just get into this closure though. You know what I'm saying? Like, where does the closure begin and my hairline end? Where? But yeah, so I just wanted y'all to see, you know, how gorgeous this was. It is, you know, I know it's giving like real good fall vibes right now, but you know, it's all right. We just gonna say we spicing up the summer because it looks great. And I was actually very terrified to try a full head of color. So this is a very big change of pace for me. I'm more like a highlight type of person, but I'm really digging it. I really, really like it. And next I want to do long. That's what we're going for. So hope you all like this video. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, turn your post notifications on, share it with your friends, your family, your cousin. It's your homegirl. Know what's going on my channel. And you know, let me know if you have any pointers, tips, feedback. You know, spam the comments. I do pretty good with replying and everything and communicating with everybody. So let me know your thoughts. I love you guys and see you in the next video. Make sure you have gloves on. I used a silver bowl. Ignore the wig. I actually did the wig and some bundles that I actually wore on my head. That's a different wig. But I used copper brown and cinnamon by Adore. I mixed hot water and regular tap water. I don't use this bowl for food, so I use it for other stuff. So be mindful of that. It's up to you, but personally, I wouldn't actually use materials that I cook with to do this. And I don't use that spoon. I actually tossed it out after I finished. Make sure you stir it very, very well because it will just sit there if you don't mix it well, and it won't deposit into the hair properly. So here I'm going to show you how to test the color. Just dip a piece of paper towel into the water. It shows you what the color will look like once it comes out, so that way you'll know whether or not you need to add more of one color to other. Here I'm just adding more of the color because, like I said, I colored that other wig first, so I'm just adding more water and more color so I have enough to do these bundles. I started with the closure first. As you can see, I messed up my hand, so be sure to use your gloves. That's very important if you don't want to stain it, especially if you have nails that could mess up your nails too. So just be mindful of that. With closures, try not to dip the lace, but it's actually okay if you dip it in there because it should wash out. Especially if you didn't over bleach your knots, you should be just fine. So let it sit there as much as possible, and also make sure you run your hands through it so the color can deposit all the way in there. That's really important. Now I'm just rinsing it out, preparing it. You can kind of see the color showing through right now also too. And next I'm gonna condition it and then let it air dry, and that's about it. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks, guys.